Hello students, you are studying the chapter area related to circle exercise 12.1. Before that there is a one example given. The cost of fencing the circular field at the rate of rupees 24. Example 1. Example 1. The cost of a circular field fencing at the rate is given. Rate is given rupees 24 per meter. And the total cost is given. Cost for the fencing is given. Fencing means boundary line. Rupees 5280. Then find the area plowed at the rate of. Rate is given for plowing, that is rupees 0.50 per meter square. So find the cost of plowing the field. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. You want to find the pi. First of all, you want to find out here what is the radius. Without radius, you can't get the area. So, what is the length? Length of fencing is equal to cost upon rate. That is 5280 upon 24. 4 6 ja 24, 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 4 2 ja 0, 1 3 2 0, 6 2 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, 220 meter is the total fence. So it is called, fencing is called the circumference. Fencing means a circular part means there is a boundary line means that is circumference. Circumference is called the 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 220, then r will be 220 by 2 pi. You will get 220 into 7 by pi is 22 by 7, 22. That you will get 11 2 the 22, 11 2 the, that you are getting 21. Oh, 21 22, 10 is coming. And here you are getting 2 5 the 10, 7 5 the 35. 35 meter is the radius of the field. 35 meter is the radius of the field you are getting. After getting the 35, you find the area. Therefore, area of field is equal to pi r square. 22 by 7. R square means 2 times. 7 5 the 35. 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 and 1 11 into 35. 11 5 ja 55, 11 3 ja 33 plus 5 38. 3850 meter square. 3850 meter square is the area of this, and after calculating the area of this you multiply. Therefore, cost of plowing is equal to 3850 multiplied by 0.50. That will be 20. 5 5 ja 25. 1925.0. So that is your answer. What is your answer? Rupees 1925 is the cost. 0.20 is removed. So you are getting very simple and easy question. Next question is given. Question, one example is given. Exercise, you will see exercise, how will you solve calculation and big parts you can do. Exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Okay, question number 1. The radii of the two circles are 19 and 9 centimeter. R1 is 19 centimeter, R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. And find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference, means C1 plus C2 is equal to C. Third circle. There is a two circle, one is a big plus this is equal to this. That is C1, C2, C. Means let area radius is R. Last one. So this is the question given. Pi r 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 is equal to 2 pi r. Radius of this is r1, it is r2, it is r. Simply you can get 2 pi is common in this, R1 plus R2 is equal to 2 pi, and these 2 pi cancel, R1 plus R2 is equal to R, 19 plus 9 is equal to R, 28 centimeter is the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to sum of these two. Question number 2. The radii of two circles are given. R1 is given 8 centimeter, R2 is given 6 centimeter. One third circle is given R. Same. Find the radius of the circle having the area equal to the sum of the area of other two. Here you are getting one circle plus A1 plus A2 is equal to A. That is R, R2, R1. So what will you get? From here, pi R square is equal to pi R1 square plus pi R2, means area is equal to area 1 plus area 2. Pi is common in this side. Pi cancel. R square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. R1 is 8. 8 square plus 6 square. 64 plus 36 gives you 100. So R is equal to root 100, that is 10 centimeter is the area of the circle whose area is the sum of the other two. Question number 3. What is given in the question number 3? There is a one ring is given. That we know in the class 8. Area of the path, outer part, inner path, rectangle, that you know very well. I hope it is clear for all of you. There is some figure given. Where is that? Here it is given concentric circles. One gold, then target are marking it the five scoring regions from the center outwards to the gold, red, blue, black and white. Gold, it is a gold, then red, then gold, red, blue, black, blue, and then black, blue only B, and black, and then white. You are getting this is the white. That all the radius 5, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. These are the 5. 5 circles are given. Clear? Each have the width 10.5. 10.5. Each has the width how much? 10.5 it is given. All. And this is given 10.5 centimeter. All have the width, all the rings. Here you want to find out 21 centimeter is the diameter. Diameter of the region reflecting 21 each of the other region. Find the red, blue, black, 5 scoring region black, and the diameter of the, find the area of the each of the 5 scoring diameter, all the 5. So R1 is the gold. The diameter of gold is given 21 centimeter. So R1 will be 21 by 2, that is 10.5 centimeter. R2 will be R1 plus 10.5, that is, so area of gold is equal to pi R1 square. Put the value, easily you can get 22 by 7. Pi value is not given. Pi value is not given, so according to 21 by 2 you can write R 10.5. 7 5 ja 35, 2 11 ja, so 11 5 ja 50 centimeter square. 50 centimeter, 11 5 ja 55, not 50. 55 centimeter square is the area of the gold region. Like this you can get R2 10.5 plus 10.5 is equal to 21. So area of ring, here you are getting gold, then you are getting the red. So R1 and it is the R2. So area of gold area of red is equal to area of gold minus area of area 2. Area 2, that is pi r1, area of, no, bigger circle minus a smaller circle. A1 minus A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, A pi R2 minus pi R1 square. Pi is common. R2 square minus R1 square. You can get, you will apply the formula that pi 21 square minus 10.5 square. Like this. R1 is 10.5. So what will you get? You can use A plus B, A minus B. 21 plus 10.5. 21 minus 10.5. You can use pi is 22 by 7 into 2 plus 1, 3, 31.5 into 10.5. So that you can do. It is one part I am telling, other you will solve by yourself. 2 plus 1, 31. A plus B, A minus B. Now, if you want, you can direct subtract by squaring both. 7, 1 ja, 7, 5 ja, 1.5. 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30. 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30, 33.0. Okay, so one decimal multiply by 31.5, you can get your answer in centimeter square. Like this you will do for R3. R3 is equal to R2 plus 10.5. What is the R2? 21 plus 10.5, that is 2 plus 1, 31.5. So area of the blue color is equal to A3 minus A2. What is the A3? Pi R3 square minus R2 square. Like this, you will get the R4 and R5. So area of black color will be, black or blue, what is you want? Is pi R4 square minus R3 square. Area of the white color is equal to pi R5 square minus R4 square. All the radius you will get by adding successive previous one like AP. Question number 4 you see. I hope other calculations you can do by yourself. Calculating part that you can do it. Next. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. There is a wheel. The wheel of a car is, wheel of a car. Do you know the wheel of a car? Like this, anything is given. Like this it is moving. Moving means it is a wheel of a car. So what is the circumference? The wheel of a car has a diameter 80 centimeter. Diameter is given 80 centimeter. So the distance covered by, so what will be the radius? Radius is equal to 80 by 2. That is 40 centimeter. So distance in one revolution. Distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. That is called B1 is equal to circumference. That is 2 pi r. Okay. It is the formula 2 into 2 pi r you write down. That is it. After this it is the how many complete revolution each wheel makes. Car has each wheel. Each means not all. Each wheel makes in 10 minutes. Time is given 10 minutes. Minute you change in the r because speed is given. What is the speed given? 66 km per hour. So 10 upon 60 hours. So distance is equal to speed into time. What is the speed? 66 into 10 upon 60. That will be 11 kilometer. What are you getting? 66 km per hour you are getting. So it is called 11. You can change 11,000 meter. 11,000 because it is centimeter. You change into centimeter, 2 more zeros. That is called centimeter. 5 zeros are there. Distance covered in 10 minutes is this. So the number of revolution by the each wheel is equal to distance covered upon distance in one revolution. That is 11,560. 5 zeros upon 2 pi r. So what will you get? 11 5 0 2 into 22 into what is the r given? 40 and 7 will be here like this. So 1 0 will be cancelled. 11 1 ja. How many zeros are left? And 11 2 ja. 2 5 ja. 1 2 3. 2 5 ja 10 and 3 zeros are left. 5000 and then 2 2s are 4 25. 2 5s are 10. 2500. This 2 1250 by this 2 and then 1250 into 7 upon 4. That you are getting 11 and then you multiply by this and then find the number of complete revolution. Number of complete revolutions you will find out 66,000. 6 1 ja 11,000. 11,000 here, 11 upon 22 here. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 2 pi r. And that's all. You will get your revolution. How much? 2 to the 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 to the 4, 2 6, 25 into 7. 1 2 is extra here. What is that? 11 2 ja 2 5 the this 2 1 2 is extra. That you will get any calculation. 5 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja that 1 2 is extra. That calculation you will see. Any problem? 3 4 3 7 5. What are you getting here? Number of revolution is 4 3 7 5. By the wheel is making 4 3 7 5 revolutions in this. So calculation part, when any something mistake is there, that you will see. Next, question number 5 you will see. Question number 5 is given. Question number 5 of this 12.4. Question number 5. 12.1 question number 5. That you will see. Take the correct answer for this if the numerically question number 5, numerically area and perimeter of a circle are equal, then you find the radius of the circle.